Hey, it's Bay, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Disc Hero wallet. This is a pretty good looking leather minimalist wallet in my opinion. It currently comes in two styles, Heart in red and Star in blue. I'll put a link in the description to where you can find the pricing and availability if you're interested in purchasing this wallet. This wallet comes with a few cards, and it also comes very protected with foam wrapping inside the box. When I first took out the wallet, I first noticed how good looking the wallet is. I'm not really a fan of red, but I really like the heart design. That really says a lot considering the other wallet option was blue. As you can see, the wallet is called Heart because of the heart cutout on the front pocket of the wallet. Speaking of the front, there are two card slots that you can put cards into. To take out the cards to use them, just pull them out and put them back in when you're finished. On the back, you have another card slot that can accommodate a couple more cards. There's a space towards the middle for your finger or thumb so that you can slide up the cards to access them. Right in the middle of the wallet, you have a slot that you can use for cash or some more cards. You have to fold the cash twice for them to fit in, and if you're using cards, I would put less used cards in this slot since it's a little bit more difficult to access than the other slots. The build quality of this wallet is amazing as well. It's made out of full grain vegetable tanned leather, and the stitching is industrial tiger thread stitching, which sounds really cool. Since it's made out of leather, it will wear out really nicely over time and it will develop a unique look. The leather has a really smooth feel to it, and it will slide in and out of your pockets with no problem. Their website says that this wallet is easy to fit in front, back, and shirt pockets. Personally, I put my wallets in my front pocket now because I heard that it's bad for your back and posture if you put your wallets in your back pocket. However, if you still rock your wallet in your back pocket, this wallet does the job well. Overall, the Disc Hero wallet is a good looking leather minimalist wallet that will definitely last a long time because of its build quality. But just in case, this wallet comes with a 2-year warranty. It'll take time for it to break in, but it's totally worth it in my opinion. As always, I'll put a link in the description to where you can purchase this wallet if you're interested. That was my video review of the Disc Hero wallet. If you found this video useful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!